Release Nnamdi Kanu. Stop politics. This guy didn't do anything. Today is 27 February 2024. Release him. Let him go and stay with his family. This guy just fights for his people in Southeast. Like me, I'm fighting for my people in Yoruba land. Release him. Let him go. Stop politics game. Release Kanu. Let him go home. Please, release him.
Our judicial correspondent Celestina Area joins me now live from Abuja to discuss events that transpired in court today during hearing. Celestina, do you consider it strange that both parties are changing their counsel at this time, and what do you think could have informed it?
Well, Nifemi, not necessarily strange, because every client is entitled to a counsel he or she feels will best canvass their case before the court. Although we know before now Mike Ozekome, senior advocate of Nigeria, was the one handling the defense of Nnamdi Kanu, but today we saw that his counsel was changed. Reasons were not given. We asked the new counsel that what was the reason behind the change of counsel, and he said that it's at the discretion of the client. And also today the federal government changed its counsel to a senior advocate of Nigeria, Adeboyika Awomolo. So this may be strategic to them for their cases, but it's not something new. It's a practice that every client or defendant can at any point in time of their trial decide to change their counsel. If maybe they feel, for reasons best known to them, it may be because the previous counsel is not doing a good job, or they believe this new counsel will do a better job, or probably strategic. So, but it's not something strange or new to the legal professional practice.
Celestina, Nnamdi Kanu has been wearing the same Fendi outfit since last year. Since the last time I remember him coming to court. What's the story behind this cloth?
Well, as funny as it may seem, it's actually a serious issue. He was arrested in 2021, and that outfit of which he was arrested in is what he's still putting on up to this very moment. Although this is his first appearance after the Supreme Court had ordered that he return to the Federal High Court for his trial. Before today, Justice Binta Anyanku, which is the judge of the Federal High Court where he's being charged, has ordered that the DSS allow him change of clothes. But Nnamdi Kanu has insisted that he will only wear his traditional attire, which is attributed to the Igbo culture. And that issue was also raised today at the court, where Justice Binta said that she would not allow any attire that is attributed to any cultural tradition, that he can be allowed to wear plain clothes, plain colors, that if he insists on wearing traditional attires, he should continue to come in the particular attire or particular clothes he's putting on. So she told the DSS that DSS should allow Mr. Kanu change of clothes. And also his counsel had raised issues as to the challenges they face when they go to see him in the detention facility of the DSS, because they said that he is being kept in a 10-by-10 room, being isolated, and they as counsel do not have the opportunity to sit down and have a talk with him, because according to the counsel that the place is being wired, or they are saying, or they will be discussing, is being heard by the DSS. And before they even come into the facility, whatever documents they bring is being photocopied. So they really do not have a time to actually plan their defense, because whatever strategy they would come up with this account, before they leave the DSS facility, it will be known to the DSS. So he came as web application before the court, asking the court to stop the DSS from doing all of these things to them and their clients.
Counsel. Please. Okay. Oh, give me 1 second.
Okay, so you moved the application for bail for your clients today, and the court adjourned to March.
Yeah.
An overview of the proceedings, are you satisfied?
Well, I am. It was tough. There are a lot of issues that arose today that are unexpected, but I'm satisfied the way we address those issues on the spot. A little disappointment remains that the court could not do a bench ruling on the bail application today. See, our client here has been detained for almost 5 years, counting to when he was detained from 2015 to today. So each extra day he remains in detention is a blight on his right to his liberty. So every lawyer should fight to have him enjoy his bail, be granted bail, so he can enjoy some freedom from this almost 5 years of detention and almost 7 years of being in exile. 3 weeks is not too much, but I would have preferred a bench ruling today.
But so far today, the court gave some orders in favor of your clients with regards to this change of attire
Yes.
that has been wearing since 2021.
Yes.
That is a step in the right direction. How do you react to that?
Well, it is, even though it detracted from him having to wear his traditional clothing. A little bit of victory there is something to be happy about. So at least he can have a change of clothing since he was renditioned in 2021. So we're happy about it.
So was it? I want to know the reason behind the change of counsel. Is there a reason behind that? Because Michael Zekome.
There's only one reason. Every client everywhere in the world has a right to change his counsel anytime. I may not be the one here on 19th March. By the grace of God, I hope I will be, but it may not be me. That is the right. So you have under the law to change their counsel.
So as you prepare for trial, sir, on the 19th, what's your position on the 7 counts that he's going to be facing before this court?
We've always been ready for trial, but as my Lord stated, trial is not for us to conduct. It's for the prosecution to conduct. Ours is to do cross-examination and put our defense at the end of the trial. We're ready.
Thank you very much.
The bail application is not meant to delay trial, as the prosecution suggested. No, we're ready. Thank you.